чтобы мусульманин работал в коммерческих банках и в государственных банках. И также второй вопрос. Те люди, которых я устроил на работу, которым я помог, мусульмане, и что будет, в каком ответе я буду за них? Спасибо.
In fact, today it is very difficult for a person who wants to live in this world that he lives without a bank. So, I do not say that all relationships with bank are prohibited. No. You can deposit your money in current account. You can deposit in a saving account, and in that case, as a Muslim, you have to give the interest for charity, not to form part of your income. But so far as the job in a bank, if you are not directly involved in charging interest, okay, then you can have a job, a kind of, as a Muslim. You can have a job in a bank which is not directly involved in charging interest.
Sheikh, спасибо.